LiteMachine facilitates the computation of the volume of material that needs to be removed for certain faces. To utilize this functionality, choose faces within the 3D scene, then click Add to include them in the selection. LiteMachine performs the volume calculation between the chosen faces and the side of the raw material. The raw material is either calculated or specified in a separate step, not detailed here. The material to be removed is calculated for one or multiple faces. The resulting values vary based on the selected side of the raw material. Visit technia.com for more information.